magsisimula tayo sa 4th Best Picture winner only for this year, for our golden edition of MMFF. Special year to. Ganun kasi nagaganda yung mga MMFF 50 entries natin lahat. And with that, we would love to present our presenters right now. Ladies and gentlemen, to present our 4th Best Picture we got, Direk Loris Guillen.
For 50 years, sinalamin ng mga pelikulang kalahok sa MMFF ang magkulay na kwento ng ating mga Pilipino. Mga kwento at pelikula ang nagmarka at ngayon bahagi na ng ating kultura at kasaysayan. At hangad natin na magpatuloy pa ang ganito kalaking selebrasyon para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Congratulations po sa 10 entries ng MMFF 50. Simulan na natin ang pag-announce ng Best Picture winners. The MMFF 54th Best Picture goes to
the award is Senator Bong Go and Senator Francis Tolentino.
And the jury to be part of the 50th is such a big honor for all of us. Maraming salamat Sir Lili and National Artist for your guidance in the journey of Begins de Jesus, for the wonderful music, to my very brave producers, probably some of the bravest producers I know, UXS Stories, Creations Studio, CND Film Services, the producer, Mr. Rex Tony, RJ Agustin, Real Florida, Mr. Tony Gloria, and Mr. Jim Baldazar, to my collaborators from cinematography, Parallel Productions, like Eric, so everybody from post, sound, VFX, everybody for doing this in 5 months. What an amazing job. Of course, my wonderful cast. Asa between Kathy, Naomi, David, Vic, and the entire ensemble, some of the best performers of Philippine stage now finding a spotlight in Philippine cinema. Please give them a round of applause. Of course, my partner Lloyd, thank you so much. And my family, and of course, everybody's partners and families here. Just want to thank you for allowing us to do this. But please, before I go, please just a little bit more. Sa mga exhibitors po and mga sinihan, ganapin po sana kami ng more screens po for all of the films and for something else especially. Let's celebrate Filipino, ang galing at talento ng mga Pilipino. And sa mga nanonood po, please, we hope we give a chance to a beautiful musical written by Sir Tino, music by Jesus. Isang pelikula na sumasalamin sa ating bansa. Isang pelikula, isang musical na mawawasak sa atin at magbibo sa atin muli. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Please give us a chance this weekend and watch the film. Isang lumala po. And thank you so much for the MMFF for this wonderful honor. Thank you.
Congratulations to our 4th Best Picture winner, Sam Himala.
Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat mga kapula. A while ago, I was just having a meeting with the exhibitors, and I was actually requesting to have more cinemas because as we speak, we only have 9 cinemas which is really heartbreaking. And humingi po kami sa inyo ng pagkakataon na sana madagdagan yung aming sinihan dahil napakarami pong tao ang nagre-request na mapanood ang isang himala. A lot of people have been asking us, Creation Studios, why did we invest or gamble into this film despite the fact that we don't have stars? The only answer is, why not? These people behind me, they're all stars. Thank you so much to the ensemble cast, the actors, the producers behind this, of course our director. Maraming salamat sa talento. And naniniwala kami na yung mga taga-teatro, mahuhusay na artista at meron din silang karapatan na mabigyan ng isang platform para mas marami pang tao ang makakita kung ano meron sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana po, pagbigyan nyo yung request namin na magkaroon kami ng mga marami pa o matagdagan ng aming sinihan. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas!
Congratulations!
Yes, congratulations!
I think with that speech, magkakaroon talaga ng himala. More cinemas for all movies.
And I also want to join that. Dapat talaga damihan pa kasi napakaganda talaga ng kwento. Miss Pat! Congratulations!
Congratulations, you guys. We are not yet done. Dahil narito naman ang mga bida ng MMFF.